Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to the Global Village in Dubai for sure, and it opens at 6 p.m. But actually now it opens at 6 p.m. because it's Ramadan timing. But usually it opens at 4 o'clock. It's a good time for everybody to come and enjoy with family, friends, loved ones. Look at that. This is one of the entrances of the Global Village. So it ends on the 28th of March. So it usually starts from October, runs through until March, 6 months down the line. So yes, I don't know what to expect, but I know I'm gonna have a great time. Come with me. So guys, basically Global Village is a world where almost or more than 90 cultures meet. So literally you come here, you find stalls or buildings or environments where they have dining experiences, shopping and entertainment from different cultures. So as you can see here, this is a Kuwait entrance, and there is many more. As soon as you go, I will be showing you guys around so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. From this angle you can see there is Turkey, and from there there is Pakistan and many more. So I will show you around. So I will show you an experience like you see these little boats. It's an experience like you find in Thailand. So where you find markets in the water. So yeah, look at that. Smells so good. Look at that. So this entire place is a floating market. A lot of people are enjoying the food here. It's like street food, man. So far I'm not hungry, but I can't keep my promise because I need to find out where I can find something nice to eat. Maybe not Thai, but I'm sure I'll find something exciting.
For 17 bees.
So I want to go into this area. Okay, this is Russia, but Europe, and find something for the Serbians, my Belgrade people. I love you so much, and let's see if I'm gonna find something from your country that will be significant for me to try or buy. Yes. Assalamu.
لولو تعال شوفي تعال شوفي تعال بيع يدين تعالي
Oh, ngoja mwadini. Guys, do you remember the place I was in Philippines, Mama? There is a Coco Mango here, but I don't know whether they have the same concept or not. Let's see. No. This looks cute. Strong smell. India. I will soon come to Sarajevo, my Bosnian people. So I want to eat the authentic street food when I come to Sarajevo. I'll pass today. So as you can see, this is a place where there is Indian street food. So this is called what? Delhi Belly and Desi Chaats. I hope I'm saying that correctly. My Indian people, please correct me if I'm wrong. Awesome. I was almost fooled thinking this is a Belgrade or Serbian restaurant, but it's not. I'm not gonna give up, yeah? This is quite interesting, yeah? This is ideally where all the street stuff are found. Clearly people are staying away from this place because if you want a healthy lifestyle, stay away from sugar. So this is the mini world where definitely all the kids want to be. A lot of games. So it is a kids-friendly area, family-oriented and all that stuff. So look at that. I think that goes all the way up and drops in a second. Man, Dubai don't joke, man. Lights everywhere. I mean, kids' corner has to be some entertaining and has to be. This is for the kids. So my niece decided to go to that ride, this ride, and I'll go see whether she's enjoying there. Meanwhile, I kind of like this one. The kids are really enjoying it. You know, it reminds me when I was young, I could not miss a fun fair when it was about time, yeah? Beautiful.
Push and hold. Push the bar and hold. If you want to fly, push the bar.
This is really cute. This was my dream game when I was a young child. I never got to do it. I'm telling you, life can give you lemons sometimes. There are so many games here that I would love to do it. I mean, age cannot allow me, but sometimes you grow young with time. But like this one, it was my dream game when I was young. But it is what it is. So let's go to Thailand and see what they have to offer. Yeah, I'm hungry right now. I'm looking for popcorns. I stumbled upon Ripley's Will Live It. So literally 3 hours down the line, I managed to achieve my 10,000 steps. So I am guilt-free, and now I'm gonna go home because I'm tired and it's late. It's about 10 o'clock and this place closes at 2 a.m. But of course I'm not gonna stay here until 2 a.m. However, I'm gonna be back maybe some other time. Until then, keep it locked and remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.